basically I have my GitHub right now repository.
Okay. So I think you had applied for, I
Full
think,
stack developer
last
comes
conversation.
Scrum Master.
Yeah, I think you had mentioned full stack developer and
Scrum Master.
Scrum Master, right? So you have to
Yeah,
choose
yeah.
any one, right? So if you can go for development or Scrum Master position,
Okay.
which one you
So
want to
you
go?
go ahead.
You have to go for a Scrum Master position.
But last time when I talked to you, right? So you asked me to take this parallelly with the Scrum Master and any other thing, right? That's what you mentioned. So that's the reason I just put both of them.
Correct.
So if you okay,
Primarily, you have to choose one. That okay,
okay,
my primary skill I want to build as a Scrum Master, and parallelly I want to do the development also.
sure.
Is that what you want?
Either one, either side, like full stack developer as well parallelly to
It
the
is
Scrum
your
Master.
choice
Both of them.
because of both doing together is, especially in this early stage, is not
Mm-hmm.
something someone can do it, right? Because it is whole lot of effort is required, right? Even in any one itself, when you go for full stack development, that itself
Mm-hmm.
is very big in itself. Okay?
Sure,
You say about Scrum Master position, that also is very big in itself. So you cannot choose both and do it within short period of time.
sure, no problem. Then I'll go for the full stack development. Yeah,
So again, in the full stack development, see, it is being misunderstood by many people, but I'm sure
mm-hmm.
you are, aware that when we call a person as a full stack developer is who is capable of doing UI development, backend development either through Java or Python, and DevOps, that is deployments and pipelines and cloud and all, then databases and all. So full stack developer basically has skills and knowledge on all different aspects of software development. Okay.
Sure.
So in that case also, like you can do
Mm-hmm.
one at a time. Either first you have to do UI development, then you do Java or server side development, then you
Mm-hmm.
do deployment. You can't do all three together when you are first time, when you are new. But when
Yeah.
you gradually have some knowledge, you did one
Mm-hmm.
project in UI, then you did one project on server side, or the same project but the server side part, and then you did the deployment part, and also definitely database will be a part of it whenever you are doing backend
Sure.
development, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So what I would recommend is you start with UI development, right?
Okay.
That will give you the flavor of the understanding of the requirement completely. And also, you will have a touch upon the backend, what kind of backend integration is required.
Sure.
Once you do that backend UI, then you will have the understanding which kind of APIs or backend integration you have to do. And after
Mm-hmm.
doing that, then you take up the backend also. Once you are
Sure.
doing deployment or the cloud related stuffs.
Okay. Sounds good. Yeah.
So please do mention in your Excel file that,
Sure.
as a full stack developer, and ping me also if
Yeah.
possible, so that after this meeting, I'll ask the team to assign you a UI repository, and you can start from there.
Okay. That will be great.
All right. Anything else you would like to
Okay.
go?
I mean, you want me to ask a question or you want me to give
Anything. If you
something?
have anything, any point to make, any question to ask, you can go ahead.
Okay. The thing is, this is an internship, right? So, I mean, the starting of the internship. So, how long it will take for an internship? Like, I mean, complete
Yeah.
this.
So this is a evaluation process first of all. Okay. So
Okay.
1 week minimum will be
Mm-hmm.
evaluation period. So in that
Okay.
period, basically, in this particular session in June, we are assigning a repository. and your goal would be
Okay.
to basically explore the repository code, understand
Mhm.
the structure and the all code functionalities, then run that application. And
Mhm.
if it is a UI, you should be able to bring up the application in the browser and
Mhm.
explore all the functionalities. If it is a
Okay.
microservice, you should be able to run the microservice and test the APIs in Postman.
Mhm.
And you have to give a demonstration or presentation to me or my team.
Sure. If I get like any problems, like I'm stuck somewhere, so whom I have to reach out to you or
You can
somebody
talk,
else?
yes, you can message me, then I can refer
Sure.
you to the.
Okay, that will be great. Thanks.
And after evaluation period, the people who
Hmm.
will be selected, they only will be eligible for the internship.
Internship. Okay, that will be
Okay?
fine.
And when you are selected, you will get an offer letter for the internship from
Uh-huh.
when it starts officially. And in this group, there are people who are college students. Okay, and they
Sure.
basically wanted internship for 1.5 months. So that is the minimum period which someone can do this internship. Other than that, people who has completed their graduation, or even these people who are doing their college, if they want, they can continue as long as they want until they get job. So this association with us will be long term until you get a job, but the commitment will be required constantly.
Okay.
Does it answer your question? Anything?
Y- Yeah. Thanks. That's for time being that is good. But if I get any questions, I will just message you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Uh, Alfred De Silva, you had received your repository.
Hi, I'm on the repository right now, but the repository seems to be empty.
Can you share your screen and show?
Uh, give me a second. I want to connect my computer. Hold on.
Yeah, connect and share your screen.
Are you receiving me?
Yeah, I was asking you to share the screen and show because I see that
Right.
code is there in the repository. So I want to see what kind of problem you have.
So at first, I didn't see that there was a source. I think yes, it was updated yesterday.
That's right. And I think
When I received the link,
after updating it, message also was sent to you that it is updated. Wasn't it?
all right. So
So you
that's
should be
all.
able to uh, take this code, explore it, and then start. can come
And
back.
about the improvements, I am I am supposed to complete the Excel sheet, right?
You need to clone this code, and you need to run this application,
Yes.
the React.js application.
All
And
right.
basically, you should explore all the code repository, whatever you have, and in the presentation or you have to explain us about this repository, what you understand about every
All
file,
right.
every code, every folder structure, functionalities.
Can I improve the code?
Come again?
Can I improve the
বাবু,
code?
দরজাটা বন্ধ করে দিকে যা। Yes, yes, you can.
All right. So about the feedbacks, I'm supposed to fill the sheet, right? The Excel sheet online.
No, I didn't get. Come again. What's that related to Excel sheet?
Because I get let me share the Excel sheets.
Meanwhile, Diana, you have a question?
Yeah, when I opened it, right, I didn't see the GTS current employment component. I didn't get it, this one. I didn't
What you
access
get?
this in the GitHub.
Huh. So
I didn't see
what do
this
you
one.
see?
I just see the plain one, like nothing is there.
Okay, so you message me that there is no content or code, then
Sure.
our team will put the code accordingly. I think similar to D Silva, in the case would be like that.
Okay, sure, thanks.
So I was talking about this
Okay.
this
Right,
sheet.
very good question. So what you need to do is you need to write down all the tasks which you are doing as a part of this activity. For example, first activity is to clone the repository. If you are new to GitHub, then learning GitHub, cloning the code itself is a task. It may take a couple of hours or a day. So that you write. What is the task? And then description, task type, it is assigned to you basically, status, and all the steps. All this you need to fill up. You may add one more column called time. How much time you have spent. Time spent. Add the column time spent. This is for your own record. And when we do the evaluation, basically you can open up this sheet and you can tell the auditor that you have performed these all activities. And please be aware that we are not expecting that you know everything, right? Because this is an internship for people who wants to learn, and you are doing this internship because you do not know everything, right? So we expect if you know, you should be able to do it immediately and explain it to us. If you don't know, we want to check how you are exploring, what is your approach to learn, do that learning, and then come back with the presentation. Does it make sense?
Yeah, got it.
So can you add a column called time spent in column I? This is for everybody. Please note this, and you should do that. Column I, add time spent. Okay, add it in your Excel sheet.
Time
And enter this data.
I guess. All right.
Anything else?
So yes. So as soon as I finish the tasks, how am I going to present my feedbacks?
Yeah, it will be through Google Meet. So after you are done, then message me that you are done. Then I will assign someone who will evaluate your task and your presentation.
All right.
Maybe we can do a presentation in this meeting, only 1 or 2, so that it will be good for others how we are doing, if you will be aware on that.
Okay.
So this meeting I have set up from Monday to Saturday, this entire week. Okay, and 8 to 9 p.m. this meeting will be there, where you get an opportunity to clarify all your doubts. So you don't have to wait for this meeting. The moment you have some doubts, you should message me, so that I can channelize your question to the right person who can help you. So be
Okay.
proactive and put your effort 100%. And the moment you have a doubt, immediately message me.
All right. So that's all for me.
Perfect. All right, Harita.
Sir.
Yeah. So may I know what you have done so far?
Sir, I have completed the task assigned to me, the repository assigned to me, sir. Like the candidate, I got candidate agreement service, sir. I completed it, sir. And
Can you share your screen and show
yeah,
it?
sure, sir. Yeah. So this is one did, sir. I did it today only, sir. So.
Okay. So this is the repository, and show me where
Yes.
you are running it.
Yes. So first you download Git Bash, the Git Bash, and by using the Git Bash, I clone the repository, sir. And after that, I open the Eclipse, which I'm using as the IDE I'm using. So I try to run the program, but I did the candidate service, and first I run the program, sir. And after that, but I couldn't but I got an error. And after that, I noticed that I need to connect to it to a database, and I watched some of the YouTube videos to do that, sir. And I did this, and I downloaded the Workbench. The softwares I used are like the Eclipse, GitHub, Postman for like to send the API request, and I also used the Eclipse and all these stuffs. I downloaded it, sir. So I had to go to the YouTube videos to connect the database to my work to the database in the application, and after that I connected it to the server, and I kind of did 11 tables, and I first ran it up after I connected to the database, and I had some errors again. So I checked out that and checked, and I found that I had to that I had to create tables and do something like that. So I created 11 tables at most, and I wrote the queries in the MySQL Workbench, and I completed using it, sir.
Okay. Yeah, I think this is wonderful. Great job so far. But this is not completed. You have successfully
The Postman
running the
thing I
application.
still do that. Yes.
Yeah. So next step is you have to run these APIs in Postman. Right?
Okay, sir.
So there is a
Yeah.
collection folder. In the collection folder, you have the Postman collection. So that collections you have to import in Postman, and then you have to test all the APIs.
Yeah. Okay. I do that. Yeah.
And also, you may not have explored all the files and code. So you need to thoroughly go through every file and every content in that file and read them out and try to understand what they are doing.
Yeah, sure. I'll do that.
Okay, great.
Thank you. Yeah, thank you.
Kanish?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so can you tell what have you been doing?
I didn't get any mail, sir.
Did you update your details in that Excel file?
Yeah,
That
I
you
updated, sir.
when did you update? Can you tell me what is the row number? Ganesh,
Sir?
row number 55. When did you add it? I think you have added it recently, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we'll assign a repository to you. Okay. And
Okay,
you
sir.
can do that same exercise that I explained to others.
Okay, sir.
All right. Anything else you want to bring up? Any point or any question? Okay. If no, then I'll move on to the next person. Manasvi.
Hello.
Yeah.
So I got access to this repository that is GTS Institute Courses Service. Uh, I can run it. I will try to run it, as in I have not run it as of now. The only thing is that it is completely in Java, and I was expecting to do something in Python and DevOps or cloud.
Yeah. So even see the people who are on DevOps or want to do in cloud, right? So your primarily job would be to deploy applications basically.
Mhm.
You basically create the infrastructure, and on that infrastructure you deploy an application. After deployment, you monitor the application. You tune the
Yeah,
performance of the application. You check security. You do alert monitoring of the system, right? So
yeah,
even if you do DevOps, you should know to run application, install applications that could be of any type. It could be Java,
yeah,
Python, C, C++, any type of technologies it may be. You should be able to run it. So
yeah,
so even if it is a Java application, you should be able to run it. And
yeah. No, I'll run it tonight.
right.
And I'll check it and I'll prepare that presentation. What I'll explore the repo
Hmm.
and I'll prepare the presentation accordingly. What I've understood out of this.
Right. Because and for a DevOps person, you may not need to understand the code functionalities. Rather, your focus would be on the configuration files. In a repository,
Yeah.
whatever configuration folders and files are there, and every content
Hmm.
related to that, what kind of configurations are there, that you need to know. Because as a DevOps
Yeah.
person, you should be able to automate those configurations and write scripts to automatically deploy that application into cloud or any other infrastructure.
Sure. Yeah.
Okay. So step by step, I'll
Yeah. Okay.
guide you. Our team will guide you.
Yeah.
But point is, you have to
Hmm.
proactively finish your current step. So as soon as you finish your
Sure.
current step, you'll come to know what is the next step.
Yeah. Yeah. So I'll prepare the presentation and I'll understand the repo. I'll work on it tonight.
Perfect. And do update that Excel file where all the tasks need to be written down and how much time you are spending on that.
Where is the link to the Excel file given in the group, shared in the group?
No, it is an individual file, and in the name of your repository itself, one Google Sheet. If
Yeah.
you
Okay.
have not
Okay. Okay.
received,
Yeah. 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 Okay.
you have received it.
I can't see it.
Yeah, you can check all the files.
Yes, there is an Excel file, Institute Courier Service API dot XLSX.
Right.
But that is regarding the API design, I guess.
Maybe wrongly it is assigned to you. So if you check it, if it is not the right Excel file, you show right what are the columns it should have. If it is not that Excel file, then you message back. I will ask the team
Yeah,
to
sure,
assign the right file to you.
sure.
Anything else?
Nothing from my side. I will first work on this and then move forward. Thank you.
Good evening, sir. My name is Nihal from Jain University. I have received the GitHub repo. I have cloned it and I have run it. I'm working on the Postman to send the working on the Postman at the moment.
Any help you need at this moment?
Could you give me a general brief on the Postman? Like, how do you run the API?
The best thing would be there is a few minutes of video in our channel. So go there.
Okay.
Video section, search by Postman, and very nicely it is being explained there. So you can take that benefit.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. Wahib. Wahib, am I calling you correctly? Are you able to hear? Uday Wahib. Yeah, Manojji, what is the question?
Yeah, actually, I checked the repo. I don't have access to that. I can't see that Excel file over here.
We message back
so if
so
possible,
that we can follow it up.
Sure, yeah, okay. Okay, thank you very much.
Okay, I'll move on. If Wahib, you are not able to hear me. Daniel. Daniel, are you there? Okay, I'll move on. If Daniel, if you are not in a position to talk, Roberto. Hello, Roberto.
Oh, hi, it's me. Good morning. My first time here. I just fill up the form, the spreadsheet. Actually, I'm new, pretty new here, so I'm open to understand how it works, to get assigned task, and
Added your entry today.
Excuse me.
You added filled up that Excel file today.
Yeah, today. Yeah, Java developer or PHP.
Development first, and that will take you through the course of all other integrations or all other layers. Okay. So in general,
so you're gonna send him in. Are you going to send my WhatsApp number?
No. One GitHub repository will be assigned to your email ID.
And my email ID. Okay, I don't know if this email has.
Yes,
I will create
the Gmail you have mentioned on
GitHub, right?
And you should have GitHub account with that email ID. Do you have GitHub account with that email ID that you provided?
The GitHub account, you mean? Yeah, I will create right now.
Yeah. Create GitHub account with that email ID, and we can.
I will use the same email.
Yeah, you can do it offline. That's fine.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah. Do you have anything you want to ask me?
No, the main channel to communication is this daily, or we have to. Can I send message as I sent you in the WhatsApp?
Yeah, you can
I
send me in
think
the
it's
WhatsApp.
okay. No problem.
So
Thank you so much.
we will have this meeting for 1 hour, and after the session, you will be put into different teams based on your skill sets. Okay.
Okay. Thank you so much.
You are welcome. Shreyas?
Good evening, sir. Uh, I received my repo. I've got a resume download service, and I ran the code. I had contacted you before also. I was doing it on Vision Studio,
Mm-hmm.
uh, and then you told me I'll have to also use Postman. So I'm yet to figure out how to run it in Postman and give the API request, all that. I'm working on it.
You do refer
Yeah,
our YouTube videos. Okay. There
yeah,
are
yeah.
clear instructions.
Mhm. Yeah, I'm going through it. Yeah.
All right. After the meeting, if anyone has joined, please come up so that we can talk. Naila, I think you joined later. Do you want to tell about your activities? Are you able to hear, Naila? So, do you want, we can't hear you. So, can you tell, did you get a repository or assignment? Yeah, if you have problems, you can talk to me offline also after this meeting. Okay. Or message me. I will respond whenever I have time. All right. Anybody else? You have any point to make? Okay. If no point, then do spend this 1 week will be very vital, right? Spend your good time. I would say do that investment of your time so that you can learn a whole lot of things, and that would be good for your career. Okay. So great. All the best to you, and see you tomorrow again. Take care.
Yeah. Thanks.
Thank you.